Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today for my breakfast meal prep. So if you're new here, my name is Molly. Thanks for stopping by. So I do weekly meal prepping for breakfast and lunch. So subscribe to my channel so you get all of my meal prepping ideas. Click the bell button so that you get a notification as well when I upload a new video. So for this week for breakfast, I'm not sure if you guys have ever had the little egg cups from Starbucks, but they're delicious. And I like to make them at home. So I'm gonna make some egg cups for this week for breakfast. So they're really easy. All of my recipes are super simple, super healthy. So we're gonna do a nice keto-friendly breakfast for this week. So with the egg cups, I'll have eggs. I love to use this already cooked bacon. It makes life so much easier. You don't have to cook it at all. It is ready to go. So this stuff is great. So in the eggs, I'm gonna have some cottage cheese, which I love, a little bit of milk, and a little bit of garlic powder. So these are really easy. I'm gonna make them in my silicone little cupcake liners. These are really great because the eggs just pop right out of here. Perfect size and everything. So I love using these silicone liners. Really great for cleanup, super easy. So I will get breakfast ready to go for the week. I will list the recipe for this in the description box if you want to make these. They're so easy, quick, and delicious. So I will get this all going and ready for the week.
All right, so I have my eggs. I'm going to use 9 eggs for these egg cups for this week. So I'm gonna crack each one, add them into my bowl, and then I will whisk them together before I put in my other ingredients. All right, so my eggs are all whisked together. The yolks are all broken up. So now I'm gonna add in the rest of my ingredients. I have half of a cup of milk, and I have 2/3 of a cup of cottage cheese. I just love cottage cheese and it goes really good with eggs, makes these nice and fluffy. So I will add that in, and then also I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I'll just kind of stir this all together before I add in my chopped up bacon. So I have pre-cooked bacon, which makes it so easy and convenient to just chop this up. I cut it with my kitchen scissors. So I'm going to mix all that together, and now it is all ready to be added into my cupcake liners. So I have my silicone cupcake liners. I just love these. I love that I don't have to use cooking spray on these. They just pop right out. So I have circles and then I have some hearts, and I will fill all these up, and I'm gonna bake these in the oven that I have preheated at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes.
All right, so I have my big batch of egg cups ready to go for the week. These are really simple and easy and so delicious. Eggs, some cottage cheese, milk, and already pre-cooked bacon, which makes this recipe so quick. I just love these. They're in their little molds and they just pop right out of these silicones, these little circle egg bites, just like you would get at Starbucks. So these are so delicious to have ready to go for the week. Subscribe to my channel for more meal prep ideas so that you can stay healthy and organized for the whole week. And check the description for the recipe for this one if you want to make it. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.